Hello kids, I hope you're fit and fine. My name is Preeti and today we are going to learn the word with sound of vowel A. Join the letter to make words with the sound of A. A-S, as. A-T, at. A-N, an. A-M, am. A-D, ad. A-B, app. Now, T-A-P becomes tap. F-A-N, fan. D-A-D, dad. C-A-T, cat. C-A-N, can. G-A-S, gas. C-A-B, cab. P-A-N, pan. J-A-M, jam. Phonic drill vowel A. Let us read aloud words with A sound. अब हम ऐसे words पढ़ेंगे जिसमें A sound आता है. फा, मा, गा, जा, वा, या, का, ला, डा, सा, वा, पा, जा, बा, का. Now we will learn the word that ends with the am sound. ऐसे words जिसके end में am sound आए. Dam, yam, mam, ram, ham. अब ऐसे words देखेंगे जिसके end में ab sound आए. Now we'll see the words that ends with the ab sound. Nab, cab, tab, dab, jab. Ag. Now we learn the words that ends with the ag sound जिसके end में ag sound आएगा. Tag, lag, wag, bag, gag, rag. Add. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the ad sound जिसके end में ad sound आए. Pad, had, sad, bad, mad, dad. A. Now we'll learn the word that ends with the A sound. Bay, day, pay, say, lay, way. App. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the app sound जिसके end में app sound आए. Nap, tap, rap, yap, map. An. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the an sound जिसके end में an का sound आए. Ran, tan, pan, can, ban. Now, short and long. Short मतलब छोटा, long मतलब बड़ा, लंबा. Words with short A. ऐसे words जिसमें A का sound बहुत short रहता है. Like bat, cat, hat, man, pan, can, jam, ram, ham, dad, mad, bad. Now we learn the words with the long A sound. अब ऐसे words जिसमें A का sound बहुत लंबा आता है. Like day, say, hey, take, cake, make, mail, pale, sail, same, game, tame. अब आपने observe किया कि इसमें A का sound बहुत ही long था. Sight words. A, an, am, as, at, and, has, had, have. A is used when a word begins with a consonant. ये हम सब जानते हैं कि A किसके आगे यूज होता है? जो consonants होते हैं. मतलब हमारे vowels कितने तरह के होते हैं? हमारे पास 5 vowels होते हैं A, E, I, O, U. Now 26 letters में से A to Z में से अगर हम A, E, I, O, U हटा दें तो जो भी letter आएगा उसके आगे A यूज होगा. And an is used when a word begins with a vowel. हम सब जानते हैं कि an कब यूज होता है? जब भी vowels का यूज होता है. Now words with A sound. Study words with A sound. At. Now we'll learn the word that ends with the at sound. Cat, mat, rat, hat. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the an sound जिसके पीछे an का sound आए. Can, man, pan, fan. Ag. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the ag sound. Bag, rag, tag, wag. Now we'll learn the words that ends with the ap sound, जिसके पीछे ap का sound आए. Cap, tap, map, nap. Reading with vowel A. A cap, a hall, a car, a tap, a fan, a man, a van, a map. तो बच्चों आपने ये देखा कि A यूज़ कहाँ होता है, जब कॉन्सोनेंट्स का यूज़ होता है. C is a consonant, so a cap. So likewise हमने A का यूज़ किया हर कॉन्सोनेंट के आगे. Pam eats jam. I can see a rat. Dad had a van. Sam has a bag. My cat. I have a cat. My cat sat on a mat. My cat ate a rat. My fat cat had a hat. I pat my cat. Skill sheet vowel A. Write words with short A vowel and long A vowel sound and speak them aloud. So let's do it together. Here is my cat. It's a short vowel A sound. Look at my bag. Again, it's a short sound. Look at my bat. Now we'll go with the long A sound. This is my car. This is my fan. This is my hat. तो बच्चों आपको डिफरेंस पता लगा शॉर्ट ए वॉवल साउंड में और लॉन्ग ए वॉवल साउंड में. नाइस. स्किल शीट वॉवल ए. Look at the pictures and write the words. Let's do it together. The first picture is of a fan. Very good. Second picture is of a car. Very good. Now, who will tell me about this picture? Very good. It's a rat. It's a jam. Very good. It's a bag. It's a tap. Great. Now again, it's a skill sheet vowel A. Unscramble and write. Now what we need to do is we need to unscramble the words and write in the space provided. हमें words को unscramble करना है और given space में लिखना है. Let's do it together. Cat. Bag. Very good. It's a jam. Fan. Bat. Very good. It's a hat. Car. Tap. Great. So kids, I'm sure that you have understood what we have done in the class today and you will practice more and more to become perfect.